This is Steve Baumgartner with Baumgartner Ranch. Thanks for coming back. Greatly appreciate it. Remember to subscribe, and through Anchor, you can also be a supporter. I've been working on the Model A for the parade coming up on July 3rd. There's a lot involved. In the background, you're going to see me washing the car. I have it on fast. It actually took me 2 hours, and I'm still not done. It takes a lot when you're working on getting the car ready for the long distance. In this case, a parade, which is a lot of slow, and in the heat, it could overheat. So start off with the air pressure in the tires, bringing in all of them up to 24 pounds. Then make sure that the radiator's topped off with water, and then clean out the inside, make sure there's no paraphernalia hanging around. And then finally, I got to start the washing. Now I use a special soap that's normally used on RVs, and it's really good for the paint and plastics and so on. It puts a lot of I guess it's a flexibility back into the paint, so you won't get the kind of cracking, and it puts a little protection on it. So I use that, and I'll put a link in for that item if anybody's interested. So then I use the microfibers sponge to lightly put on the cleaner, and then I wipe it off with another dry microfiber. And it seems to be recommended for the car paints, so not to scratch. I always thought that cotton was good, but they said actually cotton can scratch the paint, and microfiber is probably the best. So that's what I use. And I never wash the car down with a hose or anything like that. These particular cars are prone to leaking, so I try to refrain from any kind of drippings getting inside the car and ruining the fabric or the wood that's inside. So very, very careful. That's why it takes so long, because everything has to be done by hand and meticulous. Obviously the wheels aren't that big a deal, but then you got to be careful, because I don't want to scratch the spokes and chip the paint. So that's everything on the Model A just takes a lot of time to do it right and make it operational and look good. So that's just the way it is. So I think I have it about done. I'll probably take it on a little drive tomorrow just to make sure that the motor's running well. And we'll be ready for that parade on July 3rd. Hope you all can make it, or you'll at least see it, because I'm going to try to record a lot of it. So again, thank you for your patronage and listening to my videos and podcasts. It's greatly appreciated. I will probably come out with another one in a couple days, kind of like I like going on right now, and got to get this car under control. So hang with me, and we'll get this going. Talk to you later. Thanks for listening to Baumgartner Ranch. Bye-bye.